असताना आमकां गोंयकारांक आपले गुलाम करून
हॉटेलां बिल्डिंगां कसले प्रोजेक्ट येयले जाल्यार
is human interference with the environment. We human beings have to bear the consequences of this interference. Okay? We are not against the hotel. In their own land, they can build the hotel, but they have to protect the environment. This environment, which is made up of several water bodies. Now, what are these bodies? Ami Konkanin kide munta taka? Handyo. Okay? Yo handyo maka dista 7 handyo asa. Am I right? Yes, there will be maybe even smaller ones in a bigger number. But during the monsoon, water flows into these handyos. From these handyos, the water goes towards the ocean. And that is how the monsoon water is taken care of. Now, if these handyos are buried, where will the water go? In this area, there are several houses. These houses will be flooded. And therefore, I think we have to ensure that the environment is protected, these water bodies are protected, and people's lives are protected. So I am with you. I'm very proud of you, and I will always be with you. Let me know each and every time you need me, okay? I have always been with this cause, and it's heartbreaking to see elderly ladies also with you all, but this proves her love for her village.
Madam?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, you are familiar to support these villagers. What would you like to tell about this?
See, I'm here right from inception, okay? This issue has not started during this last term. This issue has started right from the first term when I was there. And I have to say that what is being done by the hotel authorities is not correct. I'm not against the hotel. The hotel, they are the owners of the land, they can build the hotel. But while constructing the hotel, they have to ensure that they protect the environment. They have to ensure that they protect the natural water bodies. There is a nalla that is constructed, age-old nalla. From the water bodies, from these handyos, the water goes to the nalla. And from this nalla, it goes into the sea. And this is a continuous process. This is a natural process. Now, can we intervene? Can human beings intervene in the nature's way of handling the water, the monsoon water? Surely the hotel owners know that there will be repercussions and it will affect these people. And it is but right that they come here to show their objection. Okay? And this is not the first time. We've been having so many agitations in the past also. And there are stalwarts here, Jose, Timoth, then, my God, I forget names. Where is Simon's wife? There, then you. So many of them, they've been there right from inception, leading this movement. Because they know, they are aware of the negative consequences.
And they just said that they might also go for fast until that. So whether now...
I hope and I pray that the hotel owners will take action and do what is right by the people, what is right by the village, and not allow these, people, the children, the seniors, to have to go to a fast unto that. We should not go to that stage. I request the hotel owners to please come out with a solution. Talk to these people. They have a committee. They don't have to meet the whole lot. There is a committee. Let them come. Let them have talks with the committee. Let them decide how best they can find the solution. Because there is a solution and you cannot interfere with the environment. In fact, I would like to say this may be a little not related. If today we are suffering the pandemic it is because of men's interference with the environment. I have heard several scientists all over the world talking that it is human interference that is changing the environment and awakening dormant viruses. It is time we are prudent for our own sakes. And I request the hotel owners to please listen to the voice of the people, pay heed to their request, and do what is right as far as conservation of the environment is concerned.
Madam, today we are celebrating 60 years of celebration, and looking at this side, we are looking at the children are doing hunger strike, elders are there. So, do you think this is the correct thing?
Whether this could have been avoided
Avoided by whom?
by the authorities.
Yes, this could have been avoided. Today, they could have gifted the villagers with a talk, whereby the decision could be to protect the environment, while at the same time the hotel can function. Okay? Now, there are so many illegalities also involved. There are many illegalities. Is there a road? A proper road? No. And yet you're having a 5-star hotel, put the basic infrastructure in place, protect the environment. These water bodies were not created today. These are age-old water bodies that take care of the monsoon water. So today, the hotel owners could have gifted the villagers of ROC by coming out with a solution to their problem and having a dialogue with them, so that a unanimous decision is arrived at.
I wanted a This is an extract from collector's report.
Yeah.
The collector came for inspection on the directions of the NGT without informing the concerned committee involved in this, as well as the other authorities like DSLR, TCP. Collector suddenly came to the site for inspection, did not allow us to speak a single word, and Madam Alina was also present during that time.
Yes.
These water bodies, collector, he himself saw with his own eyes, and he is denying. He is showing here, this is an extract. In the middle of the property, complainant claimed that there is a natural pond. However, on his inspection, this claim was not found to be true, as there was no water whatsoever, and it was just a small depression of approximately 1 meter depth and radius of less than 2 meters. If I can take you in this water body, you will see exactly what is the depth and how much quantity of water present in the water body till today. Collector is denying that. Also, there was no sign of this being linked to any drainage pattern of any water body. Moreover, this is not recorded in the government survey plan or in the records of the Water Resource Department as a water body. This water body has a connection. Water from the village is flowing on one side. Once the water body gets filled up, the extra water which is going out from the water body is flowing through the main nala, which is carrying the water to the sea. And the collector is denying this. Collector, wait. Collector is denying this. Collector Ajit Roy, who was the collector of South Goa, is denying this. This water body is there.
Here the WRD report.
Now,
This is the picture of that water body.
this is the picture of the water body. This is the picture of the water body. Okay.
Here the WRD report.
Further, he is saying, complainants present for the inspection claim that the property owned by the Daffodils Hotel Private Limited, survey number so and so, has been a traditional water flow and drainage path in the village. The complainants took the committee to the northeastern entry point of the property. There exists a storm water drain which flows from the main public road into the property of Daffodils Private Limited. The committee should see that there was a man-made drain just outside the property, but this drain did not continue in the property and ended in at the boundary.
But
This is false.
how-
This
our
is
question
false.
is-
I can show you. This is the connection to this property. Here,
Go and
this is flowing there, and then the property which is purchased by the daffodils is a low-lying area. It falls. The water falls from the height of 1 meter down. It gets slow down, and then it flows to the other place where again it falls down, and then continues to the fields, to the sea. This they are denying. The collector has denied this. Collector has reported, made a report during night time, not during office hours. Collector is supposed to write the report during the office hours. Whatever the inspection has taken up, he should have noted as a minutes of the meeting during the inspection. He has not written in front of us. The DSLR officials, the DCP officials, they did not came in time. They came after the collector. So he has falsely written the report.
So what is your demand last? What do you
Our demand is
demarcation.
to demarcate all the water bodies present in the said property on the construction site and maintain it. NGT has given a direction not to interfere. Where is this thing?
That is important. That's very important. What NGT has to say.
This is a extract from the NGT. NGT. Where is the other one? Show me this one. Yes.
Should not be altered. Here.
The NGT has clearly said the nalas and the water bodies in the said property should not be altered or altered as presently existing on site. The low-lying fields which act as detention bases should be maintained. Construction should not obstruct the discharge in the nala, and the connectivity to flows should be maintained. Level of the basement should be above high tide level and should not disturb the groundwater table in the area. And NGT mentioning this is not a this thing. They simply did not mention this. They have and the proponent has given an undertaking that they will not alter it. Then why they want to alter this now? Why they want to fill
One
up
second.
the
First and foremost, whatever NGT has stated after an inspection, after thorough knowledge of this area, okay, and they have made it very clear in their statements that these nalas, the water bodies or hondos have to be preserved, have to be maintained. And for the simple reason is that these are the water bodies that control the monsoon waters, which if not maintained, there will be flooding in the area and the residents of the area will suffer.
WRD report says
Yes. Okay? It's very clear. The NGT has said it. It's okay, let's forget us. NGT has said it that these nalas have to be preserved. Period.
See, there is one more this thing. This one, project proponent says that this is a man-made drain, was also completely blocked for last 20 years. He has purchased the property in 2017, and last 20 years, what he is speaking, I don't know. When you are purchasing the property in 2017, how can you talk about last 20 years? Last 20 years he was not there to see here. We are the villagers. We know by birth we can say. I was rearing my cattle in this property when I was 9-10 years old with my father. I know how the water was flowing through this property. Which tree was there here, I can tell you. These landlords may have cut the trees now. I know which tree was there.
Anthony, yes.
Our main demand is demarcation of all these nallas, water bodies, paddy fields, low-lying area. It should demarcate and put it on the survey plan of ROC village. Our main demand is that. Before that, you cannot start any construction, not even a barricading of the property. Panchayat has given the license to you, not even barricading. Stop all this. First demarcate, put it on the survey plan, and then go ahead with your this thing. We don't want anything.
Otherwise, what will be your further
We
movement?
will sit hunger strike till death.
This is the start.
This is the beginning. This is the beginning. Why? DCP, Town and Country Planning, CRZ, Panchayat, nobody has listened to us. We made several complaints. Nobody till date. Panchayat was the construction licensing authority. They did not hear us. For the small house, they are going for the inspection. After TCP approval, they are going for the inspection. Why not the inspection for the hotel property? Till date, where is the Panchayat? Panchayat is saying, when we ask them, Panchayat is saying, we have no authority to inspect the site. Why?
Is the file coming to the panchayat if they have no authority?
2014 September file came in the Panchayat. Why the previous Panchayat rejected the file? Why you people have passed the file now? 2017 July, you have given a construction license.
Panchayat is saying you have no powers.
One any child.
Yes, yes, child. Parents need to come. Hold it in the hand. All the children stand with her.
Stand, please.
All the children come.
No, just stay there only.
Who's going to speak?
She's speaking. You are speaking.
Come here. Come here.
Take all this cover.
Come here. Yeah, come here. Okay.
Don't show off your shoes.
Today you are for hunger strike. किती सांगू शकता बाय?
We are here to support our elders and to save the water bodies around the village and to save this environment for the next generation and for our future.
Today is a liberation day and you people are hunger strike. What do you feel this government, these authorities are not taking in confidence? How are you looking at future of future कशा बोलता है जर गांव या कुछ जगह
We won't have these environments around us and we won't get to see any greenery and
Anyone else? Darina, you want to talk? Darina, you want to talk? Okay. Hero?
yeah, no problem. Yeah, bye.
You come.
Question
किती होतो शिकवणीला देऊ नये गाणं देऊ नये कम एवढे कम
काय सांगू शकता
आम्ही आमच्या शेपाई शेमास आणि मामा दाडाक सपोर्ट करूं ती आमकां लागून हंगर स्ट्रायक उपास दवरतात
आमी सपोर्ट करूं येताय आनी आमी सपोर्ट करना आनी कोण कोतोली सृश्टी सांबाळपा खातीर आमी कितेंय कोतोली सृश्टी सांबाळपा खातीर आमी कितेंय कोतोली देखून आयज आमी उपास कोत्ताय देखून गव्हर्मेंट आमकां हेल्प करूं
माय उलयता
डायरेक्ट एक्यूज कोत्ता एक्स सरपंच मार्चा सालदाना जेन्ना आमचो लोक हिंगा स्टार्टिंगा हॉटेल तेंच पास केले तेन्ना गांवांत मुडच्यागेन ते फुडें गेलोले तेणें कोणालें आयकलें ना शी ओनली सेड दॅट दीस विलेज कूड ओनली गेट 73 पीपल ते 73 पीपल जावनी नाल्यार एकले जावनी केन्नाय कोणेंचें ऑब्जेक्शन आहा तेंचें आयकोन जाय आनी चोवपा जाय कितें जालें तें ओके नंबर 2 गांवचो सद्या आतां वॉर्ड मेंबर आहा तो आतां डेप्युटी सरपंच आहा आनी ते आतां सद्या आनी प्रेझेंटली सरपंच पळय कोण आहा तो ह्या वॉर्डाक म्हाका दिसता 3-4 टर्मां कोणी रेप्रेजेंट केला
हांकां दोगांयकूय आयज लास्ट मारता साल्दाना डिनाय कोन्नी हे प्रॉपर्टीन वॉटर बॉडी नाय म्हूण तांकां डिनाय कोन्नी वॉटर बॉडी नाय म्हूण हे आसतना तेणें पास केला ओके हे आमचें डिमांड दुसरें म्हणलें कंस्ट्रक्शन आमी कितें करपा दिवपा नाय आमी येतले until and unless they demarcate all these water bodies, nalas, low-lying areas, and paddy fields in it. Okay? Then zal sure आमी हिंगा कितें करपा दिवपा नाय आमी रस्त्यार येतले नाल्यार हांगा स्ट्रायक until that कोता आमी बसो.
Thank you.
Can I just make the last statement? Yeah. My request to the owners of the property, just do the basic, demarcate all the eco-sensitive bodies by through the concerned authorities, get these bodies demarcated. And I'm not saying ask the villagers to demarcate. Let the right authorities demarcate these eco-sensitive bodies, and once the bodies are demarcated, then they can go ahead with their work. Not before that. Definitely not before that. I request the hotel owners not to destroy the village. This is a system that was made by our ancestors to handle the monsoon waters, and this system has to be maintained.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our demand today, along with the people of Arusi, young, old and the elders who have lived here for ages, they know what was there and what is missing now. First demand, we want the demarcation of all the water bodies, all the nallas, until and unless it is demarcated and it features on the survey plan. We are not going to allow anything over here. We need it to come on the survey plan, because they keep on saying it was last done in 1972 and there are only 2 water bodies showing on the plan, and they show this plan everywhere and say there's nothing. But our Panch members, our Sarpanch, they are the villagers. They have roamed in this area and they know what is there and what is not there. Still yet they denied in the Panchayat. So until and unless it is demarcated, this is the start of our mission. If it is not heard, then we are ready to go on fast unto death. Today is only a show. So tomorrow it's going to be the whole. We are going to start, we are going to gather all the departments. Until and unless the demarcation is not done, there's nothing going to happen over there. That's our word.
माय उलयता
हे पांड्य सगळे आसलो तेचे आहाय आनी आमी जालपणसान ल्हानपणसान व्हडपासून पासून ह्यो पांड्य फोंड बोंड सगळे आसलोले पूण ते आतां म्हणटाय ना पूण ना एक्चुली सगळे आहा ते आतां ते पुरोयता सोदताय आनी दर्या उदक ते वयर काडटले दर्या आपटून घाललो दर्याचो देखून कोण ते आपल्या गेले रापण बापण दोन ते दर्या ते पोवताले आतां तें सगळें पॅक करून वर्सून दवरताय आनी हें बुडोवन सोडताय कळ्ळें हय
one group
One photo we wanted.
madam you also stand there no she wants to talk
She wants to talk.
माय कितें सांगूं सोदता
बाबा हांगा हिंगा जालो न्ही आनी आमी ल्हान आसतना ती आमी व्हड जाले आजरान आनी आमी ते भुरगीं ल्हान आसलो न्ही आमी भुरग्यांक पयशिल्ले हिंगा आमी येपार रोयन आमगे हे फोंड आहाय पांडे आहाय सगळें आहा आनी आमी हिंगा येपार रोयन आमी भुरगीं बरें पोसलें हिंगा येपार रोयन येपार सगळीं येपार रोयतालीं आनी आमकां हे पयलीं मेळ्ळें सेंट दिवना पंचायतीन आतां हे पंचायतीन सेंट दिल्या पयलीं सेंट दिवना आतां पंचायतीन सेंट दिल्या आनी आमकां अशें करून त्रास सांगायले आनी आमगे घर बाबा मातयेचें आनी आमी थिंग सारकें आमकां तेंकोन येता म्हाका तेंकोन येता सामकें तुमगे घरा तेंकोन येता मुगो आनी हांव मागीर खंय वयतलें ते आहाय ते सगळे दिल्ली धांवतले आनी हांव खंय धांवतलें मुगो कांय ना आनी हांव कांय हें करुना सारकें आमी एक जावन एक जायन आमी भुरगीं बाळा पोसून आमी हिंगा वयर काडलें आमची पोट आय बांदून आमी ह्या भुरग्यांक पोसलोलीं आनी आमी सांबाळून आमगे मायन पायन सांबाळून तेच भाशेन आतां आमी सांबाळ्ळा आनी आमकां हेजें आमकां आमी सांबाळटलीं आमी केन्ना हें पयसनाय आनी आमी बुडान वचनाय आमी वचना चिट आनी आमी वचनी बुडान केन्ना मळपाक नाय आमी हॉटेल आमी हिंगा दिवची नाय तें दिवची नाय कित्याक आमकां लागीं आहाय तेतून हांव आनी हांव हॉटेल दिवपाक दिची नाय दिची नाय तें दिची नाय
long shot
Come back.
stand long shot will do yeah bites enough
नवीन फोटो मारा नवीन मेरे लिए फोटो मारा
senior citizens सगळे पुढे उभे राहा.
Come, as many people.
No, पहिलं. फोटो लिया इसको शानदार से